Hi there, Kaizen Sensei here, going to bring to you something a little bit different. It's called uh, Move Hands Like Cloud. And it's a very simple Qigong or Tai Chi exercise that's appropriate, especially now with the SARS-CoV crisis. So let's get to work. My hand, this is my right hand, I'm putting it down, just let it hang. And then my left hand is right below my chin. Very simple. All we want to do is just want to shift. See, this is my left side. See how my arm goes out? Okay, then I palm down. We're going to skim the water. Okay, notice that when you're doing this, you're flowing. Okay, we just want to do it a couple times because I want to do it with both hands. I just want to show you how this thing works. Okay, and around. This is moving one of my arms around, moving hands like cloud. Now I'm going to put my hand down. I'm going to let my other arm up, my right hand, and then I'm going to shift to the left where I'm skimming the water. Okay, my right hand is now moving like a cloud, and then it's just skimming the water as far as it can, and then it's going to move hands like cloud. Now we're going to do both hands. Very simple. See how it's done? My left hand is down, right hand is up. Going to switch, and then it's just going to flow. One hand moves the cloud, one hand skims the water. Okay, and then I'm going to go the other direction. You don't need to be perfect. You're not going in any competition. What I want you to do is I want you to be as relaxed as you can. Shoulders down, and then just shift, okay, like a tree being moved by the wind, see? And then if you want to, you can close your eyes. Now I want you to breathe in and out, okay? So I want you to breathe in and let it in. And when you go the other side, breathe out. Now what it does, because you're breathing, it increases lung capacity. And also, as you do this, it activates your nerve endings on the outside part of your body. And as you probably know, it increases blood circulation, and then you become more relaxed. And of course, by being more relaxed, you'll be relieved of the anxiety that the COVID-19 crisis has disrupted our lives. But that doesn't mean we cannot be in control. That's why the Qigong and Tai Chi masters say we must all practice move hands like cloud. Do this for as short or as long as you want. There are no rules except for you to move and breathe, and if possible, meditate. You can close your eyes and you can let it go. This is the Move Hands Like Cloud. I hope you practice this every day, especially if you have nothing else to do. Okay? For those of you who are Qigong and Tai Chi practitioners like me, don't forget to practice your forms every day. I do every morning. Okay? And when you're done, just put your hands down and let's relax, breathe in, hold, and down. And that's the Kaizen Sensei coming to you with Move Hands Like Cloud. Hope you practice it every day. Thank you so much.